Welcome to part 2 of Automation OS tutorial number 1. You'll remember that in part 1 we launched the sequence editor from the Automation OS home screen, and then we created 3 tasks, each of which should open up a dialog box when we run the sequence. In order to run our sequence, the first thing we'll want to do is save it. So we'll click Save. This brings up the Save As dialog box, and we'll just put in the name tutorial number 1, and we'll click Save. Now to launch the sequence, we're going to hit the Alt-Tab command on the keyboard and switch back to the AOS home screen. This will take us back to our 4 original choices. In this case, we want to click Work Order Launcher, and that'll bring up the Work Order Launcher screen. You'll see at the top there's a drop-down list with several choices. At the bottom is our most recent sequence that we created, which is tutorial number 1, so I'm going to click that. And I'll go to the bottom of the screen and I'll click Next. I'll click Next again, and it says Ready to Launch. So now I'm going to click the Launch button. It'll bring up a small notification letting me know that I've launched the sequence, and I should see the results of the sequence on the screen. So you can see rather quickly 3 dialog boxes have come up. I'm just going to move these around so you can see each of them individually. You'll see we have our Work Breakdown Structure number 1 dialog box, which was our task 1. You'll see WBS 2, which was our task 2. And here you'll see WBS 3, task 3. And while the 3 dialog boxes appeared very quickly, what we're demonstrating here is launching 3 tasks essentially at the same time. This would be similar to a case in industrial automation where, say, you have 3 robots performing 3 different tasks and they can be done all at the same time. So that concludes tutorial number 1. In tutorial number 2, we'll demonstrate how to use predecessors in an AOS sequence.